Hello students, so again we are going to continue with the important board questions which are based on C++. So the question is, write a program to display area of circle. So you should know the formula of area of a circle, that is 3.14, that is pi r square, and value of pi is 3.14. And now we are going to see the question, that is area of a circle. Like that you will be having different types of question during your exam. Question will be same, write a program to display area of circle. Instead of area of circle, you will be having question as write a program to display area of rectangle, area of sphere. Like that you will be having different areas to calculate, circumference to calculate, volume to calculate, and the definitely formula will be given. So accordingly you have to write the program, and this is not the simple program which we have to write down inside the void main, but using function we need to perform this program. So this answer I have given to you. We have created one function, that is area, which will definitely calculate the area of a circle. Now it's upon us that it is not specified that we have to create parameterized function only or parameterless function only. So it is totally dependent upon us that whether we should create parameterized function or parameterless function. So now in this example I have given parameterless function because I feel this is the easiest way to write down the program. So now we are just executing the program. Here we are having void main. First part which will get executed, that is void main. Inside void main I have called area function. So because of this function calling, our control will move to the function void area. So in void area function what will happen? Just see, we have declared two variables, that is r and area, c area, in which r variable we have taken just to take the radius from the user, and in c area variable we will definitely store the area of a circle which we will calculate. So the first line is C out, enter radius. So we are prompting the user that enter the radius by sending this message. After this message is displayed, user will enter some value. So for current purpose, suppose I am taking the value of radius as 5. User have entered the value as 5. Then I have written one calculation, that is C area equal to 3.14 into r square. R square means we have to multiply radius 2 times. So that same thing I have done, that is 3.14 into r, that is 3.14 into 5 into 5, and whatever answer will be, we will get, definitely that answer is stored inside the C area. Now here notice one thing, that is we are multiplying the radius with the value 3.14, which is decimal value. So there are chances that we will get answer in decimal. And this is the reason why I have declared both the variables, radius as well as C area, as a float. So it is compulsory to declare at least C area as a float, because final answer which we are going to get, that will be in float only, because we are multiplying the radius by 3.14, which is decimal value. So we will get the final answer like 72.5 something for this particular area, 72 point. I am not sure, but 72.5, like that we will get the answer. So the final output which we will get, that is area of a circle is, and after that whatever value which is stored inside the C area variable, that will get displayed. So like that, if you are having question as area of a rectangle, so as we all know that area of a rectangle is length into breadth, means here in place of one variable, in case of circle area, we just need to take radius, that is one variable from the user, value of one variable only. But in case of area of a rectangle, we have to take two variables. So definitely we will declare two variables, int l comma b comma, now rectangle area. So suppose r area I have declared the function, and you will just change the calculation, that is r area equal to L into B. So like that we have to write the program. Only the formula depending upon the question will get changed. And mostly this question is asked using function only, so you should know this. So I hope it is clear to you. Now we will move to the next question.